I should pay you for your trade or whatever. This is a trade setup you sent.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And then,
it was going when I messaged
it was going where was I supposed to monitor and close it? Look at it now. It was almost at the TP level. And then eventually it came back down. so yeah, okay. So what? Come and check. It was what was the highest point it went to?
178.40. Yeah,
come and check now.
I checked it on my system.
Check here. That I think check with that week there. What's the price there?
174.88.
174.88. Okay. So because I did not close the trade, but the thing is, this thing hit stop loss, so it's not my fault.
So that is not fair.
This later came out.
Even
so,
you that is trading.
Oh yeah, now check. How many percent is that?
Let me see.
Let's check and give you small. But it hit stop loss, so this is his stop loss.
You give me.
And then
because I don't want to sell you.
Chicks, what was that trade you said to me? What was that trade you said to me?
Is it Cardano now?
Cardano his stop loss. No way.
No, he got to 30-something%.
He stop. You want to argue your own? He stop loss.
It got to 30-something%.
See, the thing is, your trades were supposed to hit full TP or hit stop loss.
I took it now.
So I didn't really, actually start monitoring whether it is
me.
Wait now, have you cancelled it?
I don't know the
God.
thing. Okay, it's 3.08%. Let's just say approximately 3%.
3%. What's 3% of $50?
With 10x, I'll be 20x leverage.
It's with 5x leverage.
No, it's with 10x. I'll only take
Wait,
10x
did I mention the X I'm going to use for
you
that?
see that he wants to stand me now.
Well, wait, choose.
No, it's you.
Did I mention the X I was going to use for that trade?
Stand me.
I did not,
But the
but
thing is,
I did not. Okay.
You would have decided I'll pay in 10x leverage or 10x leverage.
But it did hit SN now. I just want to compensate you for giving me a good, at least you tried, right? You're looking at
my trade
1
setup of that day, I think it was 3 trades I took, and all my 3 trades did well. My Trump trade also did well. Did you guys remember?
It did well, but it did hit
Yes.
full TP.
Yes, it did. It hit TP.
Full TP.
People are
huh?
playing with me.
It hit
People
full
don't
TP.
know.
Okay, don't worry, I'll compensate you. So 3% of $50, what's that? How much is 3% of
10x
$50?
leverage, sir.
With 10x leverage, how much is it?
I don't know. Let me check.
30% of $50 is how much?
It's 30% of $50 is my friend, my child, so it's me if I confess.
Why chat? You don't get calculator. You go. Everything now chat GPT also find one now.
This yeah? Everything.
Okay, so now if I'm going to compensate
it's $15. Okay.
$15, yes, send your UID. If I'm going to compensate you for this, Evers his stop loss.
That's not my trade.
You pay. Whose place that?
Is Abdul's trade.
Check the percentage, you I calculate. Your own was $10. Mui's own was equally, I think, around $11. I'm gonna return back my money now. I don't agree. When I return back
for you.
Okay, so how many of us are here? All of you. If you can give me trees, I'll put money in it, and I'll send you. Put that for last week. I mean, because I'm recording.
Hello. I'm fine. We are at the office and we are taking records of the trades everybody took that day. So your setup hits SL and he's demanding for his money.
Exactly. I'm sending my wallet to you. Send me my $10.
Yes, your Avax setup hits SL. Please send your money because they want to give me my money for my soul.
Calm down, Rod.
No, he said I'm demanding for my funds because at the end of the trade,
send my money. My money now. You guys should send my money. Okay, give me new setup. I'll take trace.
You are not serious. Please, counterbalance. You are not serious.
Okay, no Allah. So counterbalancing, right?
Me, I'm not doing counterbalance. So
I'm sending you $5 now. So send your UID. I'll send you $5.
Please. See. If he unless you are going to send my money. In fact, no, I don't want your money. Give me my money. I'm not doing counterbalance.
Do counterbalance. He will send you the remaining money.
Sir, I will not see my 5 naira.
Yeah.
Are you hearing him? Say you pay kind.
So this is the update of the trades we took last week. Unfortunately, because of what happened in the market, everything actually hit stop loss except for priceless trade. Okay, The TP was around 174.99, and then the Solana trade actually got to 174.88. Okay, that's why I'm actually paying for that. But it later came back to his stop loss. Right? So we're going to take another trade again. I'm going to raise another $50 for all of your trades. Give me setup this time around. If it is stop loss, I'll take it plus this one from that one. Then if it is full TP, we're going to share the profit. Agreed?
Yeah, we'll share the profit.
It's my money I'm risking.
But
when it is stop loss, I'll be the one to accept.
The initial agreement was if you hit full TP, you give me the full TP.
Okay, if it is full TP, they will choose this time around the leverage you want me to use.
20x leverage.
No wahala. If it is full TP, your money. If it is SL, you pay me back. All right. So guys, watch out for the next video. Okay.